We have the lights set up. It detects you as soon as you get into the PIR sensor range, as you can see, and goes off. As we move forward into the sensor, it takes a couple of seconds to trigger. And there we are. Yeah, pure video mode, the Ace Pro 2, and I got a flashlight that's really dull. If I shut it off and then hold it long press, you can see how bright it is. These flowers here, they just shine real beautiful and bright. They look pretty good, and you got it, pure video mode. Now, I talked about the Insta360 Go Ultra of my 3 concerns for me, if I already got an Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Can you say I'm the Insta360 family because I have a X5, an Ace Pro 2, but I yet don't have the little brother, the Ultra? I'm going to be start to wear clothing, a lot of clothing, and that may not be of my interest. And the things we don't hear is, wear a pair of gloves. How do you operate a camera? Just the camera alone and not the pod. No, I'm not picking on the camera. These are just my observations for me out loud thinking that I do want to get one, have it in the family. And it's just like me saying, well, I got a DJI Osmo action camera. I don't have an all-in-one, nor a nano, or a drone. So I'm not a full DJI family member. As much as I use my X5, as much as I use my Ace Pro 2, as much as I use my Action 5 Pro, and maybe I could say as much as I use my GoPro. Now, each camera I use for a specific reason, and I'm happy with the cameras I got. Well, I'm on today, as we all know it, pure video mode, and we're switching over to Super Night and pure video for the season. Alright, I just had to stop, check out the cross. It's a regular cross in white. And I don't want to disturb the person sleeping in the car. And yeah, that's what we do. I check out cars and I see what I like, and it wasn't a hybrid. And I watched some videos, and the hybrid does not have a spare tire, but you have to modify it to put one in. So my question to myself is, when do I turn off pure video mode? I could leave it on as is all day, all night, and I still get that fantastic shot. So as we ride along and get across and be where we have to be at, we're all getting that wonderful sunrise shot coming on up. Beautiful turn, and off I go. Don't you just love shots like this and see things like so? Some like to see other things go. Oh look, I got myself the Big Brother Ultra 2 called the Ace Pro 2. I'm hands-free and I'm shooting. Yes indeed. You can flip the screen, lock it on, and still get the shot you want. But I don't trust the camera being like so on my shirt with the screen flipped and squeezed the best it can. I got it on the bike handlebar, and the back handlebar clamp does one of these. It constantly shakes, so everything it's got shakiness. This is where the Go Ultra will come in handy. Don't have to show me holding the camera in hand. The camera club, the bike club, the club, being a club. That's what it's all about. Having fun, getting out. The thing about this, the thing about that, One may differ from the other, but the other may not differ, and it may not be what you love to do. Well, I'm not gonna sit here and wait for the sun to rise, or share the sunrise in this video. Maybe I will, but I will say this. And it's all I can say for them. The funny thing is, I had anti-flicker on. I was supposed to be on motion, blur reduction. Yeah, blur reduction when riding around in low light will stop that jitteriness. Yeah, sometimes things don't work out the way they're supposed to and you have a setting on wrong. Well, I did what I had to do today. I shared what I had to share to you, and off I go. Well, it's time for me to head on back, head on where I need to be at, and get on going. I got a lot of things on here. The Insta360, X5, Ace Pro 2, and maybe down in the future, an Ultra when it goes down in price, when it's matured and uses the mic air. I'm not using anything but noise reduction, and you can hear the traffic going along, riding along in the distance, and me talking in the front of the camera should be mighty fine. 4-5 feet from the lens. I'm just about, you got it, a little off the top because I'm not sure what field of view I'm in. Well, at least I got something so I can share and edit and do some fun back at home. And on that note, time for me to get on out, go meet up with Joe, take care of the beeswax. Have a great one. Later.